Kawadhi nyime ni Mbetre ma kojolo mar piny Amerka e pacho ka Susan Burns osingo ne piny Amerka biro medo tiyo kanyakla gi kaonti ma Kisumu e neno ni dongruok obede migawo mar thieth. Burns nolimo kar thieth ma Water Reed e boma ma Kisumu kama nonro mag thieth osebedo kadhi e nyime kaluwore gi mago ma opako tich ma kaonti ma Kisumu osebedo katimo mondo mi oganda oyud thieth makare. Gavana ma Kisumu Anyang' Nyong'o manorwako Mbetre no osingo masiro rowere molony e yore mag mbui kata content creators kendo jiwogi ni mondo gikel paro mopogore opogore e apise mondo mi okonygi.
We really are looking at more innovations in our health sector, and because we have had such a deep and effective healthcare partnership here in Kisumu, we are really looking to use the work we've been doing here with the county as a model for how we might deliver more kind of effective health assistance across Kenya. So I asked Governor Nyong'o today for his support and advice, and we'll be reaching out to the team here in Kisumu to really help us think through how we do more effective health delivery in partnership with the government of Kenya across all of the country. So I'm excited to really start to work with Kisumu as a model and see how we might replicate that in other parts of the country.
The creative economy is a very important economy. Yes. in our county, and we discuss a lot about the creative economy. Those of you who are in the creative economy sector who would like to work together with the embassy and with us, please feel free to come to my office or to approach the fellow in charge of creative economy, Robert Masira at Social Center. Please feel free to come up with ideas. We are supporting creative economy, part of our